Hey guys, we're back with another video, and today we're unboxing the Razer Phone 2. This is the successor to the Razer Phone. I'm not sure if there's other models, but the model we got today comes with, I believe, the Snapdragon 845, 64 gigs of storage, 8 gigs of RAM, and 4000 milliamp battery. Comes in a nice box too. It's wrapped up in some plastic. I'm just gonna quickly cut open the plastic off the box. There we go. And here's the box. It's got a nice texture to it. It's got the Razer logo right here. It also says Razer on this side and this side. Nothing on the top. And at the bottom right here, we have a list of its specs. As you can see, it says lithium ion battery, 64 gigs of storage, USB Type-C charging, USB Type-C audio adapter, quick charger, SIM eject tool. Alright, so it says what it comes with. Alright, yeah, it also says something weird right here. Warning, cancer and reproductive harm. Not exactly sure what that's supposed to mean. It also has a little website cited right there. I'm not sure if that's focused, but yeah. Alright, we're gonna open it up, and over here it seems like we pull this tab, or maybe not. I'm not exactly sure. Alright, oh, okay, so it's magnetic. We just open it up like that, and over here we see flagship gaming. The magnets, I can actually see them right there and there. Alright, and there's a little message right here. We're just gonna put that away for now. Oh, and here is the phone. Alright, it's quite big. I believe it's a 5.72 inch display or something. I actually have my Samsung phone right beside me. I'll try to give a little comparison, I guess. But the aspect ratios are different between this and the S8, so it's not going to be a perfect comparison. Alright, we're just going to move that away for now. And right here we have a booklet. It says Razer at the back. It has a little symbol right there. I'm not sure what that is. Possibly just manuals or something. Oh, look at that. It has its own custom SIM eject tool. It's pretty nice. Yep. So a SIM card, a micro SD card. Pretty nice. Also has some other papers inside here. Alright, here we go. Manual right here. It says Razer Phone 2. And on the back, for gamers, by gamers. And yeah. Alright, pretty nice book. Very simple. And I believe that's it. Nope, never mind. Comes with some nice stickers right here. Alright. Let's see the back. Yep, it's just empty. Alright, that's pretty nice. And oh, also guys, this is at a great deal right now on Amazon.ca. It's about I believe 50% off for $542 plus tax. So that's an amazing deal, honestly, for 8 gigs of RAM and the 845 CPU. The only thing that I'd say is not the greatest with this device is the storage, which is only 64 gigs. But anyways, we have the little power brick. It's quite big. I'm not sure how much watts this is, but seems like it's quite decent. It's 9 volt. Yeah, okay. It's 9 volt. That's pretty good. I believe my Samsung charger, the fast, I don't know what they call it, but it's the quick charger, the fast charger, whatever. That's also 9 volts. But yeah, okay. Let's get this out. So this is the little. Oh, so it's USB. Okay, wait, hold up then. Oh, so this is a USB Type-C connection to here, also on the phone. Okay, that's pretty nice. So then we have a little cable, USB-C to Type-C. And then over here, we have a dongle for USB Type-C to 3.0, a 3.5 millimeter audio jack. All right. It's not very long. It's about ½ an inch or something. Sorry if you guys hear anything in the background. Alright. Some good material right here, but I'm not. Yeah, I don't think we pull that off. We're just gonna leave it. Oh, okay. No wonder this was so heavy. All right. Let's take out the phone now. Okay. Just a little slit right there. There it is. We're gonna close up the box, and we're gonna get to the phone. All right. So this is how it's wrapped up. I'm just gonna pull it open. Ooh, very glossy back right here. Pretty nice. Take off the bottom. Ooh, wow. Sides. All right, and there it is. It's very stunning. It's got 2 cameras. It's got a little flashlight, I guess. I don't know what exactly to call it. It's got 2 speaker grills, I believe. Right, so it's dual speakers. It's got the little camera, and I believe that's some sort of a sensor, or maybe an IR sensor. But yeah, and the fingerprint sensor, I'm pretty sure is right here. This is also the power button, I believe. And you got the volume. You can open the thing right there. The SIM card, or SIM tray, I mean. All right, so let's get this out. Shouldn't be too hard. There we go. It looks very nice, to be honest. I'll hold it like this. All right. Yeah. All right. So let's get this opened up. Oh, would you look at that? It connects to it too. Okay. How would you take this off? There we go. All right, and here it is. I'm not sure if this is waterproof or not. Actually, that's a good question. I'm not sure if this is waterproof. But all right, let's just put that back in. Let's get this powered on. There we go. It's got the Razer logo, powered by Android. Okay, I believe it's loading up, so I'll just wait for it for now. There we go. Let's get it started. Okay, I believe this is also a 120 hertz display, so it's pretty nice. The phone I currently use right now, it's only up to 60 hertz. But yeah, let's skip that. All right, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna get this all connected up, and I'll see you back in a couple minutes. So yeah, thank you. All right, hey guys, we're back with the video. So I finished what's it called? Uploading my information. I set it up. I tried it out a little bit. I believe I was wrong about the charger. I believe it can go up to 12 volts. But yeah, so aside from that, let's just turn it on. So to turn it on, we just gotta click the button right here, and you just gotta put our finger on it. There you go. It opens up just like that. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Oh, it also, I believe the display is also HDR. I'm not 100% sure on that. It has Dolby Atmos speaker system or whatever. Yeah, I don't know if it's actually a speaker system. I think it's more of just a software kind of thing, but whatever. So yeah, there you go. We have 47.55 gigs of free storage. 26 is already being used by the software itself, which is quite a bit, honestly. But yeah, I mean, if you're gonna buy a phone like this, you're definitely gonna need to get a SSD, or not a micro SD card, I mean. But anyways, so this is the software right here to control the lighting in the back. There, you can see it just light up to blue. It's like a breathing effect, so it comes up and goes back, and comes up and goes back. Anyways, I'm not sure how to control if it's I don't know if I can control if it's oh, there you go. It says static, so it's always gonna be pink. There we go. It's always pink. And spectrum. Okay. And so it should be just cycling through all the different colors. It's pretty nice, honestly. That in itself is it's quite nice. So other than this phone, I believe the only other phone that can do this is the ROG, R-O-G. Asus is a gaming phone. I don't think there's any other phone that has RGB on it, but yeah. And you can also control the brightness, I believe this is. Low chroma, yeah. Okay, it's turned off. All right, let's turn it back on. Let's go back, medium and high. Okay, there we go. Let's just leave it on high. I don't know if I should show, I'll show you guys a little video test of the speakers. I'll go to my channel and I'll show you from there. I should have had this ready. If I search up random unboxing, my channel still doesn't come up first, so I still got to be working hard on this. Ooh, would you look at that? The Razer Phone 2 by Unbox Therapy. It just comes up just like that. Alright, anyways, let's go to my channel. Right there. And let's watch one of the videos. Alright, we'll just watch my most recent video right here.
So we've got a triple shot cappuccino. That from here to there?
Quite loud speakers. I'm just gonna skip this ad. Hey guys, we're back with another video. I apologize if there's any, loud background noises, but those are out of my. We'll skip through. There's nothing else. Put that away for now. So here it is. There seems to be some tape. Alright, holding it. I'm not sure if I should do a little speaker test on YouTube. I'm not sure if I'll get copyrighted for showing just a couple seconds of that, so we're just gonna leave it for now. But yeah, so the speakers are very loud. They're very crisp, but I believe the speaker grills right here, I don't know if you guys can see, there's already some things that are trying to go in there. Yeah, so I believe like the speaker grills might be very difficult to clean up later on, after multiple days or weeks or months of use. But yeah, you're definitely going to have to clean up these speaker grills. But yeah, other than that, you see this? It's still cycling through. Pretty nice. The camera quality is alright. It can record 4K. I'm not sure about how much frames it can record up to. But as you can see right there, it's quite bright. Alright, if I were to zoom in, you see it crashes just like that. Not exactly sure why. You see it cannot connect to the camera. I believe it's because it's overheating. It's quite hot right now. And I think that's because it's maybe downloading some applications or something in the background. I'm not exactly sure why it crashes every time I zoom in. But yeah. Anyways, I think that's it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And yeah, see you in the next video. Goodbye.